The world is rapidly evolving and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. It's reshaping the way we work, how teams collaborate, and how companies innovate to meet customer expectations. While some businesses struggle to implement AI, others are thriving by embracing these technologies with the help of consultants and specialists. The results? Remarkable productivity, profitability, and growth. If you haven't started integrating AI into your workflows, now is the time. You might feel overwhelmed or unsure, but standing still is no longer an option. Falling behind in this critical moment could mean losing your competitive edge or even facing business failure. In this presentation, you'll hear from an expert in AI strategy and implementation who will guide you on how to harness AI's power for your business. Whether you're looking to streamline operations, innovate new products, or stay ahead in the market, this expert will show you how to leverage AI to propel your business forward. Don't miss this opportunity to learn how AI can be the game changer your business needs.
Folks, Chris over at AIified Academy. Hey, I want to do a quick video on HeyGen today, and this is an interactive avatar creation that we're going to do. Let me share my screen here and do that one. All right, cool. So over at HeyGen, if you're not familiar with HeyGen yet, this is a really stout video creation platform. They do all sorts of things. So if I go home here, I'll show you this just really quick. You can create avatars, generation avatars, create videos, translate videos. You can do the whole thing. I do like social media videos here. Check her out. She's really great. They have all these different avatars that you can choose from. You can do your own or whatever. But anyway, it takes about maybe 5 minutes to create some really great videos. So, and you can choose all these different avatars. You can choose anything you want, and all you have to do is put in the script and it will create whatever video you want. So super cool stuff. Anyway, today though, we're talking about the interactive avatars. And so if we click over here and go to interactive avatars, now why would you want an interactive avatar? So you can use it 100 different ways. One way that I have been using it is, so I created an interactive avatar and I trained it on being a real estate expert in Austin, Texas, which I'm going to show you how to do the whole thing today. And then I put it onto my website. So when I have a visitor to my real estate website, they can have a conversations talking. They can type, of course, if they want to, but if they turn on their microphone, they can have a conversation with the avatar about Austin real estate market, about contacting us, about getting a home evaluation report, doing the whole thing. So it's another avenue for prospects to chat with us, to interact with us, and maybe turn into a buyer or a seller. So before we jump into this too much, let's give you a really quick background. My name's Chris Sutton. I've been in real estate here in Austin for about 18 years as a new home builder, new home salesperson, as a real estate agent, a realtor, a broker. In the last year or so, we've really seen that AI has really changed the landscape. And I'm finding that realtors and brokers that don't adopt AI and automation now, they're going to get left behind. So we created the AIified Academy and consulting, and the AIified Academy creates digital courses for realtors, real estate professionals to integrate AI and automations into their business so that they could grow, be more productive, more profitable, more powerful, and do things better, faster, and cheaper than they have been before. Some use cases besides what I'm doing with this avatar is maybe you want to put a link on your email signature. Hey, talk to my AI avatar about Austin real estate. And they can click on it and somebody can have a conversation just off the email signature. You could put it into all your social media posts. So somebody's scrolling through TikTok, they can click on your avatar and just have a conversation right there off of TikTok. Or maybe you're into Airbnbs. You have a welcome email when somebody makes a booking on your Airbnb, and they can click on the avatar and ask the avatar any question about your Airbnb. How many beds does it have? Or does it have a pool? Or how do I get information for the code to get into the lockbox? Or whatever you want. You can train these things on whatever you want to train them on. So I'm going to show you how to build it right now, train it on the information that I have for Austin real estate, and then how to put it into our website. So clicking over here on avatars, there's several to choose from here. Let me go back just really quick and I'll show you how I got here. First off, HeyGen, it is a paid site, right? So you need to sign up for it. The creator site here at $29 a month gives you unlimited videos up to 5 minutes, 1080p, and this is all the videos that I've been showing you. It allows you to create your custom video avatars and the interactive avatar and the whole thing. So for $29 a month, you can have a video creation platform, editing platform. You can translate it into any language you want if you work with folks that use different languages. And $29 a month, embed this thing into your website, into your emails, into your social, and you have another avenue of talking with folks that you don't have to be there for. That's the coolest part. So anyway, you got to sign up for it. That was the point of that. So if we go over to labs, interactive avatar is what we're doing here. And the first thing that you need to do is to create a new avatar, right? So I've already done it. So I'm just going to show you this, how to get it started, and then we'll go back through and I'll show you the finished product. So the first thing that you need to do is create your video. So when you create an avatar here, I've already done it. It's going to pull up a screen and allow you to record your video. And let me show you how to do that now. All right, so we're recording our interactive avatar, and the way this avatar works is you're gonna record your voice in your video, and it's going to sit on your website. So people will ask questions, and you can just respond to them as yourself. So your avatar will be on your website where you can just have a conversation back and forth with folks. So I'll show you how to load up the data and teach your avatar everything they need to know later. But right now we're just recording the video with HeyGen, creating the avatar, and then we'll go through less later. So looking at the instructions here, you could either upload the footage or record with a webcam. The webcam is just kind of a quick way to do it. If you want some really good footage, then you would want to record it with a camera and then upload it here. But they want 15 seconds of just listening. They want 90 seconds of talking so that they can get your voice and the words and all that. And then they need 15 seconds of idle state where you're just smiling and looking at the camera. So we're going to give it a shot here. And here we go. Button. I'm with Pure Vita Realty Group, and we are a home builder in Austin, Texas. We also do real estate brokerage. My kids love to golf. One of them's going into high school, and the other one is going into middle school. So we're getting to that time where we're looking at cars. My son's about to try out for the high school golf team. One of the things. All right, so once you're done recording your video, it will ask you to record a consent video, which I just did, and you just basically say that you just read the sentence out loud on camera so that they can compare it to your avatar video. Make sure that you're not creating a video for somebody else or doing anything weird and nefarious or whatever. So that's how you record your video to create your interactive. This is going to process for a little bit here. I'm going to hit submit. When we did our avatar before, boom, the avatar is created to be ready in 24 hours. So it'll be 24 hours for them to get the avatar all ready for us. And then we will embed it into our website. So when somebody comes up onto the website, instead of having a little chat window or a bot, where it's just text, there will be an interactive video of me answering questions as they type them in, or if they turn on their microphone, they can actually have a conversation with me. Okay, great. So you have your video recorded for your avatar. You're ready to go. Now what you need to do is train it on the information that's important to you. So knowledge base. Let's go Austin real estate expert. Cool. Opening intro. All right. So use Chat GPT if you want to create a bunch of this stuff. I like Chat GPT because it's much more clear and concise and what will help this thing work really well. Computer's running kind of slow here. Let me close out of this one here. All right, so if we go Chat GPT, and what was it asking for? It was asking for HeyGen. Opening intro. I'm creating an interactive avatar for Austin real estate to talk with prospects on my website, social, etc. What is a great opening intro that the avatar can say to welcome them, engage them, and offer help? All right, let that run through. Hi there, I'm your personal real estate guide for everything Austin. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just exploring the market, I'm here to help. How can I assist you with the proof home? That's perfect. All right, so copy that, go over to HeyGen. We're going to throw it in there. Paste. Probably don't need the quotes on there. All right, cool. Useful links. So this is where you train it. You can train it on anything that you want. So the first thing that I'm going to do is train it on my website. So Pure Beauty Realty Group. We'll copy that, drop that in there. Boom. And then if you just hit enter, it will go. Um, Austin real estate. I went to Google here and said current Austin real estate trends. So I don't really want to send them to Redfin, but let's see if we can find some cool stuff. Um, luxury playbook, current Austin real estate. Let's see what it's got here. KXAN, Zillow. Zillow does a really good job of telling you what the average days on market are and offers and all that. So let's do that in Austin. And the cool thing about that is Zillow is going to keep on updating this all the time, and so we can copy that. How about we train it on um, real estate state uh, common questions for realtors. Let's see what would come up there. What to ask your potential realtor, common real estate questions every agent should know. Okay. These are pretty recent stuff, so let's throw that one in there. Copy. Boom. Boom. We can throw all these in here. Let that run. And where did Google go? And how about new home or new home buyer questions and answers? First National Bank, 14 questions. Love it. Okay, so you guys get the point. Drop whatever websites you want to train this thing on so it has all the information and it'll go there. So now, full prompt. Now, prompt is going to be how you want your avatar to answer questions. So going back to ChatGPT again, and I actually did this before. So I said to Chat GPT, I said, what information should I train it with, links I can provide, and it made some suggestions and things like that. And describe how your avatar should respond to questions and have conversations. So initial greeting and engagement. You should be friendly and approachable. Hello, I'm your virtual assistant. Understanding the client intent. Ask open-ended questions. Responding to specific queries. That's great. Love all this stuff. Answering common questions. Provide clear and concise answers. How do I get pre-approved for a mortgage and so forth? Providing property listings. I mean, this is all great stuff. So I just copy and paste this whole thing in here. Boom. And edit anything that you want to do. Copy agent. We're going to put that right in there. Excellent. And then something that I found out earlier when I was training my first one that you really had to be clear on, and it's down here at the bottom, is you tell this you tell them really what you're trying to accomplish, which is to set an appointment with you, right? So um, always uh, encourage the person you are talking to to um, schedule a consultation through the calendar link on the website. Always suggest they can reach out via phone number. Oops, 684. Um, Tell them that email is fine too. Contact us if they prefer via phone and text. Let's throw text in there. A lot of people like to text. Info at pprealtygroup.com. All right, that's what should be good. And once that links are finished and all that, you go save and apply, and you are done. All right, so you got your video created, and then you trained your avatar, and then so what you end up with is this avatar right here. So let's have a quick conversation, and I'll show you what it looks like. Hi there, I'm your virtual assistant here to help with all your real estate questions. Whether you're buying, selling, or just gathering info, I can answer your questions and provide personalized recommendations. How can I help you today? Hey there, I'm thinking about selling my house in Austin, Texas. Can you guys help? Hello, absolutely, we can help you with that. Selling a house can be a big step, but I'm here to guide you through the process. Have you had a chance to get a valuation on your home, or would you like assistance with that? Also, do you have a specific timeline in mind for selling? Yes, I would like an evaluation, and timeline is we're ready to move now. We want to move by the summertime. That sounds great. Getting a home evaluation is an essential first step. We can help you determine what your home might be worth in today's market. I recommend scheduling a time for one of our team members to connect with you for a detailed evaluation. If you click on the calendar button on our website, you can pick a time that works best for you. Additionally, feel free to reach out to us at 512-309-8684 if you have any immediate questions or need assistance with anything else. How does that sound? That sounds good. Thank you. I'm also thinking about buying a new house once we sell ours, and I want to be in the Westlake School District. Are you guys familiar with that? Absolutely. The Westlake School District is highly regarded and offers excellent educational opportunities, making it a great choice for families. We can definitely assist you in finding a new home in that area once you sell yours. Would you like me to gather some information about available listings in the Westlake School District? Additionally, we can discuss your specific requirements such as size, budget, or any other preferences you have for your new home. Yeah, we can do that with a consultation. But first, what's the market like in Austin right now? Great question. The Austin housing market is currently somewhat competitive. As of now, median sale price. The median home price is around 513,000, which has seen a slight decrease from the previous year. Time on market. Homes typically average about 89 days on the market. Offers. On average, homes receive about 2 offers, and approximately 12.9% are sold above the listing price. Great. Market trends. Hey, are you guys good at this? I mean, what experience do you have in real estate? Absolutely, I understand your concerns. At Pura Vida Realty Group, we have a strong team led by Chris Sutton, who has over 16 years of experience in real estate and has managed the sale of over 2,000 homes in the greater Austin area. Our team is dedicated to providing excellent service throughout the buying and selling process, and we are well versed in the local market, especially in areas like Westlake. If you have more specific questions or would like to know about any of our team members' expertise,
feel free to ask. We're here to ensure you have a smooth and successful experience.
Great. How do I get in touch with you again?
You can reach us easily through a couple of ways. One, phone. You can call us at 512-309-8684 for any immediate questions or to discuss your needs. Two, website. The best way to connect is by scheduling a consultation via the calendar link on our website, Pura Vida Realty Group, PRealtyGroup.com. This way you can pick a time that works best for you. If you have any more questions or if there's anything else you need, just let me know.
Thank you. All right, so you guys get the idea. You have a 10-minute chat there, and then you'd have to reload if you wanted to do it again. I noticed the website wasn't very clear there at the end, so I'm going to go back and just retrain it on the website because it wasn't very clear. It didn't say where to go in case you're driving them from social or whatever. Right here is edit knowledge base. And down at the bottom, we just put in there, make it clear that my website is pvrealtygroup.com. Boom, save and apply. All right. So it takes just a little bit of going back and forth and just making sure it's trained and testing and make sure that everything's been ready to go. Now, I've been working on this today for about 2 to 3 hours, right? And that includes, doing all the video and everything like that. So take a morning, take an afternoon, take an evening, one night after you put the kids to bed to go ahead and set this up. And you can have it on your website, in your socials, and everything ready to go. So next, we're going to go ahead and put it into our website. Okay, that's where that's where I am hosting it. Now there's a couple ways to share this thing. Let me open it up again. Boom. All right, so there's a couple ways to share. You can just share the avatar right here, and you're gonna want to click it on public, and then make sure you select the right avatar. You'll notice when you sign up for HeyGen here that there's several avatars already built. Interactive avatar, a business coach. You can just sit there and chat with it about your business, and it comes up with different ideas on how you can market or whatever you want to do. If you're about to have a difficult conversation, this is a role play partner where we'll just role play with different conversations with you. It's kind of fun. Um, I have a yacht vacation plan this summer, and I created an avatar for us to answer all the questions about the BVIs and the yacht and so forth to send to my friends that are planning on going with us. So that's kind of fun. But anyway, copy link, right? So you can copy this link, you can put it wherever you want to put it, and people can click on it and interact with your avatar. The integrate button here is for developers and coders, right? So if you have experience in that and you can code and stuff like that, you can actually embed this into your apps or your website or wherever you want to do it. I'm going to show you the cheap, easy way to do it by just putting it on your website on a pop-up through the link. But if you guys want to go deep into this and have your developer or whatever integrated in the website, you can do that. And again, if you have any trouble with all this, just reach out. I mean, we can have our developers go ahead and do it for you, or help you do it, or just kind of work on a consultation basis to make sure you get all set up. So you can reach out and we can help. So putting our avatar onto our website. So I host my website on Wix. This is it right here, and you can see that I have this pop-up all ready to go. Chat with our new interactive real estate expert avatar. So clicking on that, it's going to take you to the link that I have that pop-up going to, right? And then the avatar is going to pop up and I can have a conversation with it. There's our avatar. We can just start a new chat with it. So anybody that's on my website, they hit that pop-up, they're going to go chat with my avatar. How do we do that? So I have Wix, and what I decided to do with Wix is, where's my edit? Let's go edit site. So just to make it easy, took me 20 minutes. You can go through the whole developer side and do whatever. And I don't know where you host your website, but I'm sure most of them are likely the same. They all have different apps that you can use for pop-ups. So on mine, it's called Pop-ins. And so you can go apps and you can probably just search depending on what you're doing or where you're hosting your website, GoDaddy or whatever. if you just search pop-ups, it's going to give you all the different pop-up apps that you can add to your website. So I use Poppin. And so if we open this up on the Poppin, so you could just create a new pop-up. Let me go to pop-ups. Boom, you're already there. All right, so if you create a new one, it's going to pull up all sorts of different templates to use. You can build your own from scratch, but it's just like any sort of website or social media post creator or anything like that. They're all pretty standard. So you just click on it and edit whatever you want to edit. Looks like it wants me to, no, I'm going to keep, let's edit this one over here. I just want it all capitals because I want people to see it. Our new. So anyway, you can just edit this, click on the box and edit it. I put just a picture of screenshot really of my avatar, but you can replace the picture and edit it and do all the different colors and I'll just leave this all up to you. It's pretty simple. Everybody's been doing this forever. Not a big deal. For the button though, you'll want to have your URL. So if you go to your HeyGen and you go share avatar and you copy your link, you're going to put that into your link right here so that when people click on your Talk to Chris on your website, it goes to that link. And that's the most important part. And then back behind here is next. For pop-ins, you can just it how frequently you want to see it. Do you want it on the top of the screen, on the bottom of the screen? Do you want it when they scroll down the page 60%? Do you want it when they are inactive on the website or when they plan on leaving? I clicked all of them so that they always see it because the more interaction we have on our website, the better, right? And this is new and cool, and I think it really entices people to reach out. So then you go publish now and it's ready to go. So you guys just saw it on my website and you saw how it works. So that is how you do it. Really, it's an hour. I had to learn how to do it earlier, so it's taken me about 3 hours and record all the videos and stuff like that. But really, it's an hour to 2 hours to go ahead and knock this out. And make sure to use GPT anytime you need to help with language. And go ahead and get out there and create your avatar and start sending it out. Let people talk with you, all right? That's more interaction we have as realtors, the more business we're going to get. Going forward here, I have AI-ified Academies creating all sorts of videos, all sorts of podcasts, and we have a new course that we're developing right now called The Proper Method, and this is fully integrating AI into your business, all right? So I'm going to pull this up right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is my AI-ified page on Facebook. You guys can find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, AIifiedacademy.com. And our podcast is called AIified as well, so you can catch our podcast, but which is right here, so you can see AIified. And every weekday we do a different AI tool that we throw up on the podcast. 15-minute podcast. You guys can listen to it in a car, and it'll tell you how to use different tools. But I wanted to show you the proper method. So we're about to launch a course on here, and this is the proper method, and it's a 6-part framework to make your real estate business more profitable, productive, and powerful with AI. So predict. We're going to know where the market's headed. We're going to find sellers before they're ready to sell. We're going to use AI for all this stuff. Attracting high quality leads, automate social media outreach, optimize ads, target the right audience. Optimize, this is streamlining daily operations, right? It's automation with AI. It's trying to take you out of those mundane tasks and that stuff that takes up all your time so you can be out there talking with people, closing deals. Personalize, customize communication with all your leads, both on social and in your CRM. So how do you use AI to personalize your contact? We're going to talk about nurturing leads with AI follow-up. We're going to talk about drip campaigns, score the leads so you can focus your time on the ones that are about to act, and then replicate and scale. So how can you replicate all these AI systems so that you can scale your business, grow bigger, and create more business and more profitable, more productive, more powerful is what we call it. So this is the proper method. It's coming up here soon in the next month or so, and we'll let you know all about it. But go ahead and reach out to us. AIified is our Facebook page, AIifiedacademy.com, on Instagram and also on TikTok. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you on the next one.
The world is rapidly evolving, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. It's reshaping the way we work, how teams collaborate, and how companies innovate to meet customer expectations. While some businesses struggle to implement AI, others are thriving by embracing these technologies with the help of consultants and specialists. The results? Remarkable productivity, profitability, and growth. If you haven't started integrating AI into your workflows, now is the time. You might feel overwhelmed or unsure, but standing still is no longer an option. Falling behind in this critical moment could mean losing your competitive edge or even facing business failure. In this presentation, you'll hear from an expert in AI strategy and implementation who will guide you on how to harness AI's power for your business. Whether you're looking to streamline operations, innovate new products, or stay ahead in the market, this expert will show you how to leverage AI to propel your business forward. Don't miss this opportunity to learn how AI can be the game changer your business needs.